Ever wondered what the future holds for Honkai Star Rail's Remembrance Trailblazer? Well, wonder no more. Rumor has it that the Trailblazer and their servant Mimi will create a harmonious duo in the game's upcoming version. Let's dive into some intriguing leaks that might just make your day. First off, the Remembrance Trailblazer's equipment and summon Mimi have been hinted to be essential for certain team compositions. Mimi might be part of a new category called Servants, which could enable the summoned character to function as an additional playable character on the battlefield. Now, let's talk about the Trailblazer's abilities. Desire, according to leaks, their ultimate mirrors the effects of Mimi, either summoning it or restoring its health and empowering it. Additionally, the technique establishes a 10-second area affecting enemies inside, causing them to be incapacitated and unable to act. Mimi, the adorable servant, seems to play a significant role in the Trailblazer's kit. When an ally gains energy, Mimi receives a portion of it. Moreover, when Mimi exits the playing field, it boosts the actions of the Trailblazer. Mimi also enhances the entire team's critical damage proportional to the Trailblazer's critical damage. When Mimi acts, she inflicts 4 instances of ice damage on one enemy, and then a single instance of ice damage on all enemies present. When Mimi's energy reaches 100%, she bestows a blessing upon an ally, granting them the ability to take action and deal additional true damage equivalent to a portion of their initial damage when attacking enemies for 3 consecutive turns. The Trailblazer's passive traces are also quite interesting. The first trace works such that if an ally under Mimi's blessing has more than a specific percentage of energy, any extra energy will amplify their damage by certain percentage to work. And the second trace suggests that if when Mimi performs an action, it gains a energy recharge boost. Lastly, the third trace hints that at the onset of a fight, the character's turn or action is moved forward. And when Mimi is called forth in a battle for the very first time, she receives a specific amount of energy. With all these leaks pointing to the Remembrance Trailblazer being an offensive support, it seems like there'll be a hybrid sub-DPS and supportive character, much like Harmony and Honkai. Star Rail, and just remember, these are leaks and should be taken with a grain of salt. The final product may differ significantly from the leaked information. Nonetheless, it's an exciting time to be a Honkai Star Rail fan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.